guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the PUMA FENTY AVANTI. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown up our way. I just want to take the time and opportunity to thank the subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go, and today we've got a look at the PUMA Rihanna collection, the Fenty. This is the latest one to come through. We got the Avanti in the dark myrtle colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's European 41 and it's US 8.5. So Fenty is back with a bang for Puma. Puma, to be fair to Puma, they are getting all the great celebrity endorsements these days. They got obviously Rihanna's man, A$AP Rocky. They just got Skepta, and who else are there? Krypton Conan and Lewis Hamilton. So their roster is just piling up with all these greats, and obviously Rihanna's one of the greatest artists of all time. Shout out Rihanna. If you're watching, and we know that you are, big love to Rihanna. And we have done some Rihanna Fenties before, like when her first collection dropped actually. So we do have some reviews. If you want to take your minds back, check me out when I was younger, in my early 20s back then. But we've got the newest ones. We've got the Avanti, so we've got this in the dark myrtle colorway. And let's get unboxing. So, there we go. And it comes with the Fenty dust bag, gorgeous velvet right there for you. This away. Here is. Right. Right there for you. So the obvious take on these sneakers is that it looks like a football shoe. And that is kind of the vibe that they're going for these days, because this looks like you're going to Fashion Week early in the morning, but you got five-a-side at the afternoon. And again, that's kind of the whole trend that I've been seeing recently. But we'll get into that when we get into all the details. So we'll start with the sneakers details with the outsole. So you got all rubber outsole with this traction patterning. It's all circular. The Puma logo in this very dark brown gum. The midsole is just a foam midsole. You've got typical EVA functionality right there for your cushioning and support. And the upper, that's where we come into all this. It's a gorgeous leather, I must say. It's a leather upper. The way it molds as well, the shapes that it cuts into, it is absolutely gorgeous. It smells like, you have to take my word for it, it smells beautiful as well, like leather. And the whole thing I was getting to about football is, look at the tongue. It's a football boot tongue essentially with the Fenty. Puma themselves are one of the greatest when it comes to football boots. I mean, one of the greatest of all time wore Pumas. Pele, he wore the Puma Kings. And obviously you've got that look right here for you. The Avanti itself is a sneaker from the archives, from Puma themselves. And again, like that fashion is what I'm seeing today. Like all these fashion girls, they're wearing football shirts from teams, like the retro shirts especially, they're wearing the baggy ones. I hope they know what team they are wearing. From the culture we grew up in, we're from North London, I know not to wear my Arsenal shirt in Tottenham, and I spend a lot of my days in Tottenham, to be fair, but I know not to wear my Arsenal shirt. So let's hope you fashion heads out there know what shirt you're wearing. But that's just me, that's my take on the fashionistas these days. I get it, it's really cool, and the fact that that look has gone down to footwear is very symbolic, because look at the hottest sneaker at the moment at the time of recording here in 2023. It's the Adidas Samba, so it's only right that Puma dig out their football sneakers as well. So let's get into all the details of the upper. As I mentioned, it's a leather upper You've got the running strip here from Puma on the lateral side, and it's on the medial side also. Again, it's in this gorgeous myrtle green. It's a very dark green. It's very like rich green as well. You got the Fenty lettering there in the gold letters, and the Puma cap as well on the lateral side. On the medial side again, as I mentioned, you got the strip. Also, the tongue, you got the Fenty logo in this football-esque shape. You fold it down. Yeah, it's like you've got your football boots on. You got flat laces and you got gold aglets on the tips there. Heel counter, all leather. You got the F on the left, and on the right you got the Puma cap. And on the inner, you got a foam insole with Fenty lettering embossed there. So that rounds up my review of these sneakers. Rihanna's done another great hit with Puma. I think the other sneakers that she's going to release are the Creepers. We have done the Creepers, so if you want to see a review on that, we've got the first ones that came out, so check that out. But these Avantis are really dope. I get Puma, they're going blow for blow when it comes to the footwear, up against Adidas, obviously, with the Samba. And this is not bad from Rihanna and Puma. Really dope sneaker. I can't wait to try this on. One of which me try these Avantis. One for you. Okay, you're not going to be playing football in these. But when it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a size, half size up to what you usually wear for Puma. I am typically a 7.5. These feel like I'm wearing football boots though. So if you wear football boots, get what you usually wear, then that's the same rationale I use when I'm wearing football boots. I go half size up, maybe I'll size up to what I usually wear because I wear thicker socks. But that's just me. They look really great on, but these are really tight on my feet. My toes are really at the top right there. But they do look like some really dope football boots, to be fair. And I get that, I get this aesthetic. I get these girlies that are wearing the football shirts. You know, it's very stylish and it goes well with Sambas and those kind of football inspired sneakers. Rihanna, if you're watching, and we know that you are, throw some love to the boys. Throw us some merch, and big shout out to you and the family. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us on TikTok and on Instagram at Oneupreviewz. Until next time, peace.